Hi, this is Gwen Volen with the Volen Group at Keller Williams based in Ponte Vedra Beach. And this is going to be your July market update. I'm going to look at some statistics you can see on the screen there, all the stats first for the beaches area and then going up into Nocatee. And I'm going to focus on two areas, Ponte Vedra Beach and Nocatee. Reason being, those two areas have been maybe a little bit trickier than some of the others. Jacksonville Beach, Neptune, and Atlantic Beach, while you can see some big sways in their numbers, overall they're flat to up from 2024. So starting with Ponte Vedra Beach, you can see the median estimated sales price was $135 for the month of July. That is up from June, which is great. I'll call it the spring of economic uncertainty. And I think that held sellers and buyers a little bit. So Q2's up from Q1, but May was a little slower. June picked up, and so we're just having a later season. I'd say a lot of times in Ponte Vedra Beach, sales start to slow, but they picked up, which is great. That sort of ties in with year over year. If you look at July of 2024 to 2025. It looks like things are greatly up. So that's kind of a unique trend for us. Don't get too excited about those increases. We're still down about 8.5% from 2024. I think we're in a very positive trend. I'm not worried about the market in Ponte Vedra Beach at all. It's special property and there's, not a lot left, but we did see a little bit of a downward trend. Hope to see that continue going up. Months of supply, that just means it would take 5.1 months to move every home on the market. I'm looking at single family homes only in this data. So, that's up 50% from July of last year. Nothing that stresses me out. So if we look at Nocatee, the median estimated value is $753,635. Month over month, that's up. There's a lot more inventory that you could grab from. With 314 homes on the market, things do I would say feel like they're sitting. So I'll be curious to see what those numbers do. Doesn't mean you shouldn't list your property, but I think you need to not get too aggressive, particularly if you've owned your home for a while. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. Please follow us on YouTube, like our socials. And if you have questions about a specific area that I don't have in this, please call. Thank you so much.